Alright, now we are going to learn about the object stacking or selecting the hidden elements. For example, if I insert multiple shapes, let's give some different colors to it. Let's say this one is purple, add some more. And this one is, let's say, blue. And we will add some more. Just hold the alternate key and move downwards and change the colors for every shape. All the time you will hold the alternate key to make a copy of this shape, alternate key, and just hold the mouse with the left key and just move downwards to see a copy of this shape, and then change its color. So let's say these are different boxes overlapping one another. So when you have multiple objects on your screen or on your design, you have to learn about the object stacking, or what items to show on the front and what on the back. So here are some of the designs I have in here, and on the top of that, the full box, what I can see is the yellow box. Now, for example, this one is not our main boss, but the red one is. So what we have to do is, this is on the front and you can see that this is on the backward. So what we can do is just select and right click on this one and click bring on front. So you can notice that now this one is the main one, and this is overlapping under that box. Similarly, for example, blue one is our main box. So I'll click on bring this one to the front, send backwards, and it will automatically come to the front. Now this one is our main box. And if you want to work more efficiently, you always have the short keys written right in front of every option. For example, Control plus bracket sign is the key. So the key is basically this one, Control and this bracket sign. This is just to show you if you can't find it on the keyboard. So let's say if I want to bring it to the front, the short keys, bring forward, closing bracket, Control plus closing bracket. So let's select purple and bring to the front. And you can see that this is not properly brought to the front because it is already selected. This one is already selected, bring to front. I'll rather select send backwards now, and this one send backwards too. And now let's bring to the front. Again, send backwards, and send to back this one as well, send to back this one as well, send backwards, send backwards, send backwards, and now it is on the forwards. So if you have multiple shapes overlapping one another, you need to try it multiple times. Just make sure that all of the other shapes are sent to the backwards and the main one is brought to the front. Now this one is related to the shapes. Now if we delete all of these, let's insert one shape and let's make it like light color, and let's insert a heading again. Go to text and click on heading. Now these ones, normally what we do is we insert a shape separately and then we adjust a heading on it if we want a highlighted heading with a box. Now if we try this sending backward and forward in here, for example, you have a shape here and due to some reason you need to send it to backwards. So let's see what is the impact of it. You will just right click and click on backwards. So although you can't see it right now, but in some cases you will make the image transparent and it will show the reflection of it from the background. This is some of the design types that I can't explain right now, but if properly designed, it looks very beautiful. As you can see that all the text is in black, but still because of its transparency, it's showing a relevant color like a dark green matching with this theme as well. So if you design it further, you can give multiple shades to it as well. So this is how it will work. If I click this one to send to backwards, you can see that the original color of the text heading is in black. So you can experiment with these further when you make your own design. So this is also a quick option that I wanted to share.